I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. In behind a strong cold front, highs in the 70s continue all the way through Saturday. A few thunderstorms may occur in western areas with a weak disturbance through tonight. Thunderstorm chances increase tomorrow through Friday with stronger disturbances tracking to the east. Storms could be strong to severe tomorrow, especially for western and central Kansas, along with southwest Nebraska, where the Storm Prediction Center highlights a slight risk. Nebraska and northern Kansas in a lower and marginal risk for severe storms on Friday. Total rainfall through Saturday morning likely to range a half inch to an inch and a half for Kansas, lighter amounts on into Nebraska. Thunderstorm chances are lower over the weekend with weaker disturbances tracking to the east. Highs warm to more seasonal levels in the 80s for Sunday through Wednesday. A cold front next Wednesday or Thursday could be our next chance of more widespread thunderstorms. In the long-term forecast, Nebraska and Kansas temperatures Monday through July 18th likely to be seasonal to warmer than normal. Nebraska and Kansas rainfall starts out slightly above normal for early next week before backing off to near normal rainfall the late half of next week through July 18th. Key weather factors the markets are considering include a mixed forecast of rain chances for the Corn Belt and spotty rain continuing in the Canadian prairies. The next several days, hot weather persists or becomes reestablished across much of the southern and western U.S. This weekend, triple-digit heat returns across much of Texas, while similar temperatures are observed as far north as the interior Northwest. Relatively cool air covers the Midwest and Northeast, with temperatures remaining mostly below 90. Between the hot and cool air, rainfall could total 1 to 4 inches from the Central Plains into the Tennessee Valley. Lingering rain across the Central Plains is slowing the wheat harvest, but benefiting summer crops. In Kansas, 46% of the wheat acreage is harvested, which is well behind the 5-year average of 63%. Parts of the eastern U.S. also experience scattered to widespread showers and thunderstorms over the next few days. Much of Texas receives little or no rain into next week. Significant rain may also bypass portions of the northern Corn Belt. For the plains and Midwest next week, additional cold fronts drop out of Canada with more rain while temperatures stay mild to cool. Increasing rainfall in the Midwest is boosting soil moisture in many areas, but there are plenty of areas seeing low soil moisture, creating mixed conditions for developing corn and soybeans. Towards the Canadian prairies, spotty rain continues and soil moisture continues to fall. Canadian prairies temperatures are milder, though, helping to reduce the stress for drier areas. Brazil's drier conditions are favorable for the increasing harvest of second crop corn, but late planted corn and vegetative wheat could use more rain. Through the middle of next week, periods of rain in southern Brazil boost the soil moisture for late planted corn, but could disrupt the ongoing corn harvest. I'm Paul Perkins. That's a check of your ag weather.